Hello and welcome. This is Ifeanyi here to present to you my overview of the market for the week November 24 to 29th, which is the last week of November 2013. This pair is the Euro USD, and I want to quickly show you my own opinion about the market. Now, just looking at this, the market closed in the past week on a higher high and higher low, which is a sign for bullish continuation this week. All right, now, and it actually performed according to our expectation in the past week with a bullish engulfing pattern recorded here, hoping that the market will also respect our opinion this week. Now, wait, what we've got this week already? Today is Monday and I am analyzing late. So the market has already opened, and it opened lower than the close of last week. It closed at 1.3557 and opened this week at 1.3547, about 10 pips gap. Now, some information coming out from the Eurozone actually pointing to a possible further rate cut, which may not be too good for the European currency, and so there's a possibility that the bullish continuation pattern that we are seeing here may not continue after all. But we will not preempt the market, but also know that this is the very last week of the month, and in the past month we started a shooting star. Now it might end up this way with a hammer, with a hanging man rather, and if that happens, we might want to believe that the month of December might be all through bearish for the Euro USD. So then, just focusing on this week, let's look at, for me, it's a bullish bias that we can see based on what information on the chart, but long term, it might end up, engulfing, the 2 weeks. So just keep our fingers crossed. So what I would be doing is that we have to be very careful with our trading, and also paying attention to what's going on, with the economic analysis. All right, now our key entry levels, as we have projected already, from here we've got the Kamanala buy area at 1.3508, which price is trading around at the moment, and the floor buy opens at 1.3511. So the formation of 4 hours time frame of Euro USD of any bullish reversal pattern here will signal buying. Note also here that 21-day moving average is actually just below price. So in the formation of bullish reversal pattern around here will signal buying for the Euro USD. Then before we continue with that, let's quickly look at what the Fibonacci retracement levels are saying. Now, for last week it was more like neutral, but we will still go by the rise from from the low of 1.3399 to the high of 3557, or if we include the high recorded already today at 1.3559. okay, we'll be having price at 8.2 already. All right, and we will also be perhaps checking it up to test 50% at 3479 or 61 at 3460. So around these areas, buying will not be out of place. So we'll be looking forward to buying around there on the sighting of a bullish reversal pattern. Then going by the long-term overview, that's for the monthly overview of the market, is quite a neutral month it's been, and let's look at the rise from the lowest recorded so far up to this high recorded here. Okay, now based on that, at 38.2 of that rise from 3295 to 3576, we will be looking at buying around there at 1.3469 and 50% at 3436. So it's still okay. Good. So we will be looking at around here now. Once we see a bullish reversal pattern here, it may happen on Tuesday, it may happen today, Monday. But for me, I would suggest waiting and just staying aside and watching the market throughout today, Monday, and then by Tuesday we need to look forward to any reversal pattern or continuation pattern that will, signal that we continue selling the Euro USD. Okay, now for the Fibonacci expansion on Euro USD, let's quickly plot the expansion level to get the expansion level based on the rise from this place, to here. We'll be looking at price around. Let me go to a lower time frame so I can have a clear view of that. All right. Wow, it's not okay. Let's see. 1 hour. Good. That's 1.3579. If at all it gets there, if it gets there, a possible sell. Let's look at the Camarilla sell area 3606. Okay, so around that area 3606, we might just give it a little allowance to see if there will be a bearish reversal that will come up there. But for buying here, one that's 3,500. If we see the signal eventually 347980, 3479, 3469, 3460, and 3436. These are our strong areas, levels for buying, and we will work with that. Now the COT report for the euro also is suggesting, let's see, it's positive but with negative balance for the long position. So for the hedgers, the speculators rather, the speculators are really bearishly biased, and with this possible open interest, the market is actually the market might actually experience a kind of conflict. That's some neutrality. All right, so it may not be absolutely bullish, and it will just be a struggle, a tug of war. So just be prepared for anything that could happen with the Euro USD. So for us, our bias on Euro USD is not absolutely clear, it's not absolutely bullish and not absolutely bearish until it all happens. So we'll just follow the market as it moves, because the market tends to be playing some kind of neutrality deception. So we'll just follow it and see what happens. Then just keep a watch on these levels, and I trust that if you take just 2 or 3 trades for this week, maintaining your risk and your risk targets and projecting and hitting it with your profit target, I believe that you make to keep profit this week. So I want to wish you a highly profitable and green pips trading week. My name remains Ifeanyi. Thank you and God bless you.